Meadow. Vast land with wild plants and flowers. Beautiful area for picnicking. Lake, city park. Bench, stone bench. Meadows. Do you like the meadow? Yes, I do. What's this? Trash can or dustbin? Trash can, dustbin. Strolling lane. Strolling lane for walking. Stroll, walk. Let's go for a stroll. Let's go for a walk. To stroll, to walk, in the garden or in the park. Lanes. This is a prayer court. Parking lot. It's a car parking. What's this? Lake. Lake. So by the lake we can go for a stroll. We can go for a walk in the evening or in the morning to enjoy our fall. So let's learn English on the go. Public park. Public park. Public park. Where people go for strolling and walking. How is the weather today? It's sunny day. It's sunny day. Beautiful, isn't it? That is sun. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. It means it's a beautiful day. I'm going for a picnic. A picnic. By the lakeside. I'm going for a picnic by the lakeside. The sky is clear blue. The sky is clear blue. Water. Water. Look, the water is clean. The water is clean. It's a nice view. It's a nice view. The lake ripples by the wind. The lake ripples by the wind. Ripples, to move in small waves. Ripples, to move in small waves. Breeze. Breeze. The breeze blows softly. The breeze blows softly. The breeze, it means the soft winds. The soft winds. The soft wind blows softly. The breeze blows softly. The lake moves gently. Gentle, gently. The lake moves gently. What a beautiful sky. Beautiful sky. Look, there are trees on the other side of the lake. There are trees on the other side. Flowers. Flowers. It's spring. It's spring. Public toilets. Public toilets. This is sunset. Sunset. Learn English on the go. There are so many ways to learn English. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. And be safe.